It is what it do, YouTube. It's your boy King John. I'm back with another video for y'all. Today I'm gonna be doing a very special video, a cooking video. Now this is not no normal cooking video. This should be exclusive because I really know how to cook. I'm really a chef. I know how to cook, and what I'm gonna be making today is something that some people don't know how to cook right. They don't know what they're doing. They just they think, oh my, they don't know how to chef it up, I'm about to be making some eggs, bro. Look, there's a certain way you gotta make eggs for them to taste spectacular. Gordan Ramsey can't mess with me. I don't care what you say. You can let him know. I want y'all to go to his Instagram, social media, whatever he got, and tell him that I said this and it came from me. Send him a clip of that and say that he cannot mess with me. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I drop a banger like this one. Go ahead and comment down below too if you want to enter the giveaway, because I'm doing a giveaway. You gotta subscribe and comment down below. I entered the giveaway. I want to enter the giveaway, something like that involves the giveaway, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. When I hit 1,000 subs, I'm giving away something. If I see your comment, you might be the winner. Just come on, just participate. Come on now, it's easy to enter. It's not that hard. The button's not gonna hurt you. It's a subscribe button. It's not gonna hurt you. But I'm not gonna talk y'all heads off. I'm gonna get straight into this video, and yeah, we're gonna start chefing it up right now. Alright, y'all. So the first step before you do anything in the kitchen, you have to wash your hands. If you don't wash your hands, you're nasty. Alright, so I like the hot water. See, like some people people do certain things wrong. See, I put the soap on my hand. Look, y'all see the soap? Yeah, that's the soap. So look, I got the soap on my hand a little bit more. But look, when you wash your hands, you gotta wash your hands a certain way, bro. You gotta when you get your hands wet, you gotta wash up to here, bro. You gotta wash all the way up there. You gotta wash your hands. So say your ABCs when you wash your hands. See, like A, B, C. See, like I can sing a little bit too if y'all didn't know. See, I can do a little bit of everything. I got hidden talents that nobody really know about, because if I tell them, the government might try to come and do experiments on me, because I'm an unknown species. I came from Mars if y'all don't know. But wash your hands. Just wash. You gotta wash. Make sure those hands. You gotta get in between those fingers too. Get everywhere, bro. All right. Wash your hands. Dry them off, man. Dang, I ain't got no paper towels, bro. Hold on, bro. Alright, got me some paper towels. Yeah, man. Wash your hands. Do all that. Alright, so next, what you gonna need? You're gonna need a pan. You're gonna need salt, butter, milk. I see what I did here. Butter, milk, not funny. Alright, my fault. Pepper, some sweet old Carolina, Texas Pete. If you from North Cracker-Lackin', you know what I'm talking about. And some garlic powder, a spoon, and a butter knife. That's what I'm using. You'll see what I'll use it for. A bowl, last but not least. You can't make the eggs without the eggs. Where they do that at? I'm not funny, bro. That was cringy. But look, got the eggs out, got everything where I need it to be. Now, with the fork and the spoon and the butter knife, you're gonna use the spoon. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and crack the eggs first, because the butter knife is what I'm gonna use to put the butter on the thing and let it sit there a little bit when I start heating up the oven. And so I'm gonna go ahead and crack these eggs. Bro, it's not opening. Alright, look. When you crack your eggs, look how perfect this egg is, right? When you cracking your eggs, you gotta tap it a little bit. A little crack in there. I don't know if Y'all see that crack, right? After you crack it, you gotta make sure, cause if you crack it wrong, you can get a shell in there. See me, I usually use 2 to 3 eggs when I make my eggs. I am the best chef in the world. I can do anything. You know, anything I put my mind to, anything y'all put your mind to, you can do it, but you can't do it better than me. Y'all ever think that when you do this, before you crack the egg, that the baby chicken that the egg was in, or the baby chicken that's inside the egg, you ever think, wow, you really just cracked them open? Don't listen to nothing I'm talking about. I ain't really talking about nothing right now. But look, you're gonna take the milk, right? After you got your eggs inside the bowl, I don't know if y'all can see a little bit, but after you get your eggs inside of here, you're gonna pour a little bit of milk. You're gonna pour some milk. Just look at everything I'm doing, cause you'll see, like you come on now, you're gonna mix everything. Make sure everything mixed all good. I don't want to spill nothing now. Feel like this bowl gonna be a little bit too small for these eggs. See, you gotta make the eggs a little, like just get the eggs a little, you know what I mean? A little, like, if you know what I'm talking about, when you, like, you know how you eating, right? And then you got that like, it just give you that taste. You feel me? Alright. So look, got the eggs stirred up a little bit. Got everything mixed together. Now that I got that mixed together, so I can go ahead and have, you know, the oven a little bit heated up a little bit. I'm gonna turn on this burner right here. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn it halfway on 40, the way this is. Like, you know, just leave it on 40. I'm gonna take my butter knife. This is my butter knife coming into play. All right. Take the butter. When you take this butter, you don't even need too much. I mean, you could. I'm gonna show y'all how much y'all need. I'm helping y'all. Look, this is how much butter I'm using. I'm gonna take it. Take it, right? I would usually leave it on the thing, but I'm doing the video, so look, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take the butter, put it up here. I'm gonna rub it around, get it around there. Go ahead, get it around there, because whenever I put it on the thing, it's gonna be heated up. I'm teaching y'all how to cook. See, because some people be thinking I don't know how to cook. I really do know how to cook. Like, come on now, I ain't have to take no cooking class. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and have the butter all up here. Get the butter up here. Let the butter heat up a little bit. It'll pay off, I'm telling you. Alright. Alright. Now that that's done, come back here to my eggs. Make sure everything's mixed, all good, everything, right? Now, you're gonna take some hot sauce. Trust me, trust and believe, I know what I'm talking about. You're gonna take some hot sauce. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Do it like this. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna do that. Don't mix it together yet. Then you're gonna take some salt. Sprinkle a little, not too much. Sprinkle a little bit. It's gonna give, I'm telling you, this is gonna give it that taste. You feel me? Then after that, you're gonna take some black pepper. You know, take a little bit of pepper. Not too much. After that, this is garlic powder. You're gonna take a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. A dab, just a little bit, like that. Nothing, like not too much, bro. You like that, all right? That's enough of that. putting stuff inside of it. Now you're gonna mix it all together. All right, you're gonna mix it in, cause the milk giving it that, like, you know, that buttery, that little buttery taste. You feel me? See, I can smell the seasoning. But look, I promise y'all, this is gonna be the best eggs you've ever had if you're making it exactly how I'm telling you to make it. Cause if you mess up, then that means messed up eggs for you. See, look, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. All right, so I got this mixed together. I got the butter up there. I'm about to go ahead and pour this into there. And yeah, so hold up. But whenever y'all pour it in there, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to do. Y'all need to get a fork. Y'all can use a spoon, whatever. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna pour it in there, and I'm gonna start, like, you know, mixing up a little bit. But y'all gonna see. Watch. So I pour the eggs in there. I'm gonna have to use a spoon. Go ahead, like, you know, get around the sides. Make sure you don't leave no eggs behind, bro. Look, see, it's already starting to smell good. See, I'm making scrambled eggs, by the way. If y'all, like, I know how to make omelets too. If y'all want to see me make other stuff like omelets and all that, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. How do y'all like y'all eggs? You know, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Y'all see how it's starting to, like, how it's starting to cook? I feel like if you eating by yourself, if you eating some eggs by yourself, I guess you could say three eggs is enough. I feel like 2 eggs not really enough if you eating by yourself. Look how, you see that? Let's see. Make sure you get everything. Try to get it to the middle. Try to get everything. You gotta make sure everything mixed up good. Y'all see the pepper that I put in there? See, the milk gave it like that buttery taste, you feel me? That buttery look. It's gonna give it, like, y'all look. I always put milk and salt in my egg. And after that, you just let them sit there for a little bit. Make sure everything's scrambled all up if you're making scrambled eggs. You see that, right? That's how I want my eggs to look. They taste perfect. Perfect, just like that. Let it sit there for a little bit. And I'm gonna show y'all whenever everything is done. All right, now that the eggs are fully done, I'm about to show y'all how good these eggs really is. Watch this. Ain't nobody messing with me, bro. Ain't nobody messing with me. Look, I got the toast right here too. Look. Show y'all the toast. Toast right here. And jelly right there. Syrup. I put syrup on my egg. I don't know what's up with people putting ketchup on their eggs and all that. But man, that's really it for the cooking video. I'm finna enjoy this. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Comment down below. Like the video. And if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed and comment down below and say, I want to enter the giveaway, or I entered the giveaway. Just say something about the giveaway, you entered into it. When I hit 1K, that's when I do the giveaway. Appreciate y'all for watching. Tell everybody you know, tell all your friends, your family, everybody you know about my channel. Help me get to 1K. Yeah, that's really it. Alright, peace out.
OODBABIES. I'm the real hood. The real one. Bitches tatted on my neck. I laced it up.